After you remove the antenna cap, you see following parts. The internal antenna itself, the CF card inside of the CF card slot, a small reset button, a SIM card slot for the LTE option, a service USB Type-C 3.0, and a slot for the battery for the UPS option. To explain the CF card slot, I remove the CF card, which is already inside. As you can see, it's a 256 gigabyte. The CF card slot is below the board. The CF card itself, it contains the operating system. And as you can see, it's easily changeable out in the field because you just have to slide it out and just slide it in again. Also below the antenna cap there is a reset button, as you can see here. It's a very small and tiny button. Most of the time it's not usable in the field because antenna is on. It's more related to programmers, or if you do a ground installation in the office and there's a need for the operator to make a short reset, then you can push the reset button and the system will restart again right in this moment. If you've ordered the unit with the LTE option, you have the need to put in a SIM card, a hardware SIM card, because eSIM is not supported. And as you can see, a standard SIM card, and just slide it into the SIM card slot and press it in until you hear the click, and then it's inserted. To remove the SIM card, just also push it until the click, and then it comes out and you can slide it out again. You also have the Type-C service USB. It's a USB Type 3.0. Every Type-C device can be connected directly to the port. If you are using USB sticks or similar with a connector of Type A, you need those kind of adapter with USB Type A to USB Type-C. And then you plug in the USB Type-C, and then you have the USB Type A connector. Also below the antenna cap, there is the slot for the battery for the UPS option. If you order the UPS option, the shipment will be the battery, the cover of the battery slot, and 2 screws. To insert the battery, first of all, you have to remove the internal antenna by removing 1 screw, which is on the side of the battery slot, and just loosen with about 1 round the screw of the other side of the antenna, and then swipe it to the front very carefully because of the cables which are still connected. So you have the battery, you see the back and the front, and the back side is put to the front here and then slide it in. So don't be afraid, you cannot slide it in incidentally in the wrong direction because the connector is coded. Then after that, you have to attach the plate, the cover plate for the battery slot. It's just a tin, and put it onto the battery and just attach both screws. As already in the other videos, 0.5 Newton meter torque. And the second screw. This tin is very important because it prevents the battery on heavy ruggedized sceneries to fall out and damage the antenna from below. Then the last thing is to attach the before removed screw from the antenna. So attach the screw again, also 0.5 Newton meters. tighten the screw on the other side, and then the battery is inserted. After our work, we have to reattach the antenna cap again. Before we do it, just a few words on the inner side of the antenna cap. As you can see here, the black part, it's a form. This is intended to press down the CF cut and not to let them slide out accidentally during operation. Then also have a look on the rubber gasket, which is around the cap. This is for the IP protection to get full protection and tightness. And then you see the 3 white washers. They prevent just the screws from falling out if they are dismounted. If you get into trouble or if you have further questions for installation, please contact us. And thank you for watching the video. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.